The Haunted House. There was a guy named Vinay. He settled in a software employ. He wants to buy a new house and he started watching for new house. Finally he got house at the end of the town and side of large graveyard. There was a belief that the ghost was present in the house. Many terrific sounds will come at night times, but Vinay not care about it. Finally, he shifted to his new house. That night, he, try, he tries to sleep out, but Vinay feels that someone is staying with him, but he can't find anyone. After an hour, he started hearing some fearful sounds. He felt very fear. Then he will get one visual that one sudden skeleton comes near him and holds his neck hardly and tried to kill him. Then Vinay wakes suddenly and then realized that he was dreaming. He went to bath and have his breakfast and goes to office. He was very disturbed due to his night dream. He will take half day leave and return to his house. On his way, he will meet with an accident because one large bus comes to hit him. He will safely out of this accident with minor damage. Then he will return to his house. He was shocked by watching his everything was broken. He don't know how it happened. He felt very fear. Then after some days he decided to move away from this house. He started packing all his things. Then he recognized that some of his things are missing. He started searching his missed things. Then he finds an basement present under the storeroom. It was very dark. He takes his mobile flash and slowly, fearfully enters into the basement. Slowly he reached into it and he found a room. He opens the room. There he finds so much of gold and silver and diamonds in it. He felt shocked by watching it. He wants to find how the gold present here. He hides at the end of the room. After an hour, few members enters into the room from other door. He listens to their words. Then he comes to know that they are thieves. They stolen the things from well-known houses and banks and hides in this old house basement. They also planned to kill Vinay at the accident that he met before. They created that house was a haunted house and make some fearful sounds. He wants to make them arrested. He went to police station and informed to the SI named Kranti. Kranti was the one of the member of those thieves. Kranti takes Vinay to the far away to forest, then drugged he ties him in the old house and returns. After Vinay wake up, he realized that SI Kranti was the member of thief. He decided to end all tricks of these bad thieves. First, he should escape from the forest. He founds a knife and takes it to his hands and cut his tied ropes. He finally escapes. He will enter to his house basement and opens his mobile and takes live video on Facebook. Entire world watches the activity of these thieves. Then the police force comes to know these are the wanted criminals and hundreds of police surrounded the house and arrested them. SI Kranti was suspended and he was also arrested. Everyone was started pressing Vinay that he was dared and proved that there was no ghost and he saved that town from dangerous criminals. He happily stays in his house. Thank you.